Hello. So today I want to show you how to set up a second domain controller for our domain, because we want redundancy. We don't want only one, we want several of them, in case one of them breaks down or whatever happens. So I set this virtual machine up, and as always we changed our settings. I changed this time zone to Amsterdam, Berlin, UTC +1. IP address, right click, properties, and let's remove version 6 and select version 4, properties. Last time our other domain controller uses 10.100.0.11, so this one will use 10.100.0.12, 255.255.255.0. Default gateway is our router 10.100.0.1. Preferred DNS server will be itself 127.0.0.1. And I want to remove NetBIOS, disable. So let's change our. We're gonna join the domain and change the name at the same time. So DC02 domain reda.local lila okay. As always, we will need a restart. We got this error because we changed the name and the domain at the same time. You can ignore this. It will work. DC01 domain, right IP address and right time zone. So now we go to manage, add roles and features. Next, role based or feature based. Next, yes. Active Directory domain services, add features. Next, next, next. Restart the destination server automatically if required. Why not? Close. You can see the notification here. Promote this server to a domain controller. First time we selected add a new forest, but now we want an existing domain. So add the domain controller to an existing domain. Reda local DC administrator current user. Let's change this. See, now we have the domain administrator. And here we have to type the directory services restore mode DSRM password. And now you can see we have replicate from DC01. You can just choose any, because maybe in the future we will have more of them. So any. Here you have the script, the PowerShell script. Next. Install. Okay, so we will have a restart. So now if we check tools, Active Directory users and computers, now we have 2 of them. And like last time, let's back this up. We want to back this server up. So I press File, Settings, SCSI controller, hard drive, add, and we want a new one, dynamically expanding, and I'm gonna call it DC02 backup. And 20. Apply. And now you can, in your server manager, you can press here tools, computer management, or you can type here. We go to disk management. We right click, online. We right click, initialize disk. We right click, new simple volume. And we can close this. Now if we open our file explorer, this PC, you can see we have a new volume. So now we go back to our server manager, manage, add roles and features. Next, role-based or feature-based. Next, next. We don't need a role, we want a feature. So next, we go down. Windows Server Backup. Next, install. Now we press Tools, Windows Server Backup, Local Backup, Backup Schedule. Next, Full Server. Let's check Custom. You can see what you can, here you can choose what you want. But I will just go back to previous and full server. Next, and let's choose maybe 2 in the night or 2 in the morning, however you want to call it. Next, backup to a hard disk that is dedicated for backups. Yes. Show all available disks. Here we have the new one, E. We select it, okay, we select it, next. You have included volume in the list of items to be backed up. However, it is on the disk 1, which is specified as the backup storage destination. Do you want to remove this volume from the backup? Okay. When you finish this wizard, the selected disks will be reformatted and all the existing volumes of data on the disk will be deleted to enable users to move backups off-site for disaster protection and to ensure backup integrity. The entire disk will be dedicated to storing the backups and will not be visible in File Explorer. Click yes to use the selected disks. Yes. So here we have the backup items. Disk does not have. Yes. So this is probably the one that got removed. But this is the important one. Finish. Close. And now we can press backup once. Backup. Now we press close. Backup successful. Thank you for watching.